Hey, my name is Harley Timmons. I am the youth and assistant pastor here at Crossroads Community Church. I've been here for the past 4 years serving in that position. We have opened up the church to it's a distribution center to those who have been affected by the floods here in Newport, Tennessee, and are serving as a send out zone with people going out as far as North Carolina to Asheville, Black Mountain, and all the different places to meet all the needs of the people there as well. When the floods happened on Friday afternoon and Saturday, everything was kind of shut down. We really couldn't do anything, and we were waiting and waiting to be able to help those in our own community that were in need. And then Saturday afternoon into Sunday, we just decided that people are going to need clothes. Their whole houses were washed away in many of these floods. They were going to need food. They were going to need cleaning supplies. And so we started putting out some messages asking people just to donate those kind of items so that we could get those where they needed to go. The biggest thing to begin with was the clothes. We just knew that was going to be a big need. And so we had clothes pouring in from all over the place and stocked us up really well on that. And now we're kind of transitioning a little bit into some of those other needs that we need to get to different communities. We've had people coming and serving every single day from different communities, people coming as far as North Carolina just to come to our church and serve. We believe that God has sent those people here. We believe that He has supplied all of our needs as far as the donations that have come in. He has supplied all the help. If you would like to donate towards those relief efforts, we're welcoming anything that you can send, and we're updating that on Crossroads Community Church Newport, Tennessee Facebook page daily to let everybody know about the needs that we're seeing on a regular basis. And I want to thank Master Services for setting up here and feeding all of our volunteers and all the flood victims that are coming here to get help. They set up today and they've provided food for everybody, and we're so thankful for their service in that and for just joining alongside of us in the work that we're doing.